the fun.
All right, so only to say that we have another little crazy producer this morning. I'll tell you where she lives, so only can just go do her something. So apparently it's time for a game of two truths and a lie. All right. So what? You must tell me.
I understand. When never say two truths, them should never them say and a lie and Prince punch me up. What are you saying, Prince?
So apparently you're supposed to tell me three things and two of them must be truthful and one is a lie.
And one is a lie?
And I must figure out.
Which one's the truth?
Make I start. I will tell you the three things. I was born in Rollington Town. I lived in Vineyard Town. And I lived in Vancouver in Canada. Two of that is true and one is not. One is not. Anytime today.
You never lived in Vancouver?
Palsy. I actually was born in Rollington Town. I did live in Vineyard Town, but I lived in Toronto. I didn't live in Vancouver. Come.
Okay. I went to Whitfield Town Primary School. I ran away when I was a child. Why is never laughing? And yeah, me I try to figure no. And I ate rabbit when I was a child.
You didn't run away?
I did.
You run away?
Yes.
So where you come back for?
I ran away to next door.
So you run go next door?
Yeah.
Then run with that?
No, me did yeah, because I couldn't find me for a bit. Police,
what is
everybody
that
in a look for me.
What
like for a whole day. My break something.
Dela, when people run away, you don't see them for like 2 weeks. That is not a run.
Break
Oh, you can't run away and go next door.
My sister said, Mommy, I'm going to kill you. And I said, I don't want dead. What am I going to do? I just say, you better run away. Aubrey, my ugly, all of them, my ball. My pack my little things, I'm reach the gate.
That can't work, man. So which one was like? You never eat rabbit?
I never eat rabbit.
What was the first one? You went to Whitfield?
I went to Whitfield Town Primary, very briefly.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
So Aubrey, me two teenage neighbor, them say, where you going? And I said, me I run away. And them say, all right, come.
Okay, I run with that.
And then them hide me under the crib.
Is that run with that, sir?
Them hide me under the crib over them house. And everybody look for me in a police. So here how them find me now. This is the one as an adult.
That is two lie and a truth.
No, it's not. Hold on, man. It's not two lie.
All right, my time again.
Will we tell more?
Yeah.
Oh, go on.
My time again.
Go on again.
I went to St. George's College.
Yes.
I went to Excelsior. And I went to Gainstead.
You never went to Excelsior?
I never go Gainstead.
Never go Gainstead?
It
is so weird. Mr. could never tell me a lie about Gainstead.
I actually did go to Excelsior.
You actually went
I go to Excelsior for about 3 months and them kicked me out.
Oh, no.
So I don't talk about it because I never do not when them kick me out. So I'm vexed about that.
So me forget two more lies. Oh, Jesus.
Your time again.
Oh, my gosh. I jumped out of the top of a mango tree.
That is definitely a lie.
I ride a bicycle from St. John's Road to Spanish Town. And I worked in a bakery.
You didn't work in a bakery?
Yeah.
You jump out at the top of a mango tree?
Yeah.
And you ride a bicycle from where?
From St. John's Road to Spanish Town. I used to ride bicycle everywhere. But my neighbor, them have a mango tree and them are 7 days. So every Saturday as them go to church, we used to jump the fence and climb the tree. One Saturday, them never go to church. And me up at the top of the tree, I throw down mango. And when the back door open, my sister, them take off, left me. Aubrey. And I say, and them afraid I know. I say, when my mother here say, me in the people, them tree, me dead. So me just jump out of the tree in Aubrey. I got the wind knocked out. All me know is that when I open my eye, I see the man over me. I say, why she jump? What would not make she keep the mango.
All right, I'll give you one more. I'll give you one more. Rax,
Morning.
how are you?
I'm well, thank you. How are you?
Happy birthday to your dad.
Thank you. I will pass your message on.
We are playing Two Truths and a Lie.
Yeah.
So, what time is news? You still have time?
I have a couple of minutes.
All right, so you have to tell us two things that true about you as a youth and one that is not true. And we must figure out which one is not true.
Two things that's true.
And one, you don't have to tell me, don't tell me the first two true and then the third one lie. We need to figure out which one is not true. So tell us
Okay.
3 things about you.
All right. I like to cook.
Yeah,
I love music.
yeah.
And I cook well.
Oh, the last one for sure. It took
That
a
sound
long
like that sound like it's two lie and not true. You don't like cook and you don't cook well. Which one is not true?
So I have to tell you which one is not true.
Yeah, then we don't know.
They don't cook well.
I like to cook.
Yeah.
And I think I cook well. Because when you grow with your grandmother, you
So
you
which
learn
one
how
is
to
not
cook
true
well.
then?
What was the other one I told you?
We don't know how you
So you
tell
like
me.
music?
You say you like music.
Yeah. Well, I like music, but I'm very selective in the kind of music.
So
that I
you
like.
don't tell me
me
no
think
lie
that they
then.
cook well at the lie.
You don't tell me
No,
lie.
me think is the other. All right. Let us say that I like
Anybody
to cook
ever
is the
tell you
lie.
say you cook well?
Lots of people.
Because you're a Christian, you just don't want to tell me no lie, don't? All right. All right, good to see you, Rax.
Good to see you guys too.
All right, folks, we're going to go for a quick break, and then when we come back, Rax will have News in 5. Stay with us, please.